Hey guys, welcome to this video. It's one of those videos again where I really was hoping to not have to make this video, but I owe it to everyone that watches the channel and anyone and everyone that cares about AI to make this video. I felt this for the first time last night, and I'm telling you guys, I use this shit every single day, constantly, non-stop, and there has been a significant drop in quality from Opus 4.6 since yesterday. Before continuing, guys, a very quick word from our sponsor, me. This is harborseo.ai, and this is a tool that I created for people like you who have a SaaS application or a blog or an e-commerce store and you need help with blogging. You discover keywords, you write articles, and we help you publish them as well. And we even have a link building tool which will help you build backlinks, and a link bait tool which will let you build pages on your website that will get you backlinks. And if you need a little bit more help, or if you want to push your tool a little bit more, you can also buy manual backlinks where we will actually fulfill them. And you can even get half price off the first 3 months with the code HALFPRICELINKS, and we will build those backlinks for you. Thank you for the attention. Back to the video. You know what's absolutely hilarious is I was gonna say I bet that there's a red line here, but I wanted to check first because I don't want to look like an idiot, obviously. I was right. Every single time the same thing happens, right? And I will tell you why this happens. This uptime for Claude is the most important thing, right? So if they're running Opus 4.6, and it even says elevated errors on Claude Sonnet 4.6 and Opus 4.6, elevated errors on Claude Opus 4.6. This happens every single time, guys. I use this AI constantly. I'm telling you, I understand how these things work. Look, this is before they released Opus 4.6. This is something else, and then right here, quality drop in Opus 4.6. I'm telling you, I felt it last night, and I am not surprised to see that there is a red line right here. This happens because basically what happens is their servers can't handle the heat, right? You might call this bullshit, you might say it's not true, blah, 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 right? If you still don't believe this is a thing, I'm sorry, but you're just wrong. I've experienced this a million times. I'm going to show you some proof in today's video as well. Before we get started on that, though, I'm just going to do /context just to kind of see if we can see how much I actually use this this system, right? Okay, so I've used 39% of my weekly usage. Now, I'm not really sure if that shows you guys how much I actually use Claude, but I use this shit every single day. I promise you, I use it every single day. I use it constantly. I mean, I can't really prove it, right? At the end of the day, you either believe me or you don't. I am a power user of this tool. Okay, so I believe these are my extra usages over the $200 max plan, right? I think. I'm not exactly sure how this works, guys, to be honest with you. But you can see I am a power user of Claude Code. I'm sure a lot of people have more usage than this. I'll tell you right now, I don't do parallel coding. I do everything step by step, watching everything it does. I very, very rarely use sub-agents, only when I'm trying to do something specific. So this is basically AI augmented coding usage, not vibe coding usage where I have 50 terminals open, etc., etc. I'm a power user of Claude Code, I promise you, right? So I notice when these things happen. Now let me just show you something, right? I have an entire system, and I've been using Opus since the very beginning to make thumbnails for me, right? And this is the first piece of evidence, probably the only piece of evidence that you're going to need, to be honest with you, because it's so clear and obvious to me. So these are all the ones made by Opus 4.6. The way this works is Opus 4.6 writes a prompt for Nano Banana, right? Based on my memory here, right? So if I go here and I go to project memory, no, oh god, I hate fucking memory, Claude.md, right, here it is. So these are the key rules, right? And basically I can see the quality of a thumbnail based on these rules, right? These are super, super specific rules. I can't believe this is all there is. I thought there was way more information here. Oh, it's in my skill. Sorry, it's not in... It's in here. Sorry, guys. So yeah, it's here. You can't actually read it, but... Okay, so you can see that they're very, very consistent, right? They all have the name of the business, and then a subtitle, and then icons on the left, and then something on the right, right? They're very, very consistent. These are all done by Opus. Some of these did extremely well. Some of these did very, very badly, right? Now just look at what Opus did yesterday for me, right? And you can instantly pretty much see the difference. Nothing like my usual thing. Nothing like it. Look at this. It's not following. This one is following because I went back and I repeated it. I think I used Sonnet for this specifically, right? Not very good. Looks nothing like my normal thing. What the hell is this, right? So this is Opus 4.6 prompting Nano Banana based on a set of rules, right? None of these are good thumbnails. This video that I did got 1,800 views or something. So something changed pretty much overnight. Let's see what Sonnet does instead, right? So this is Sonnet's attempt. That's kind of awful, but this is Sonnet's attempt at doing one of the thumbnails. You can see that it's much closer to the original kind of style, right? So if I click on, for example, this one, oh, let's just look at a few. There's one that looks exactly like the one that you just saw, like this, for example, right? So I could tell instantly there was a problem. I could just instantly tell that something had happened. So what I'm going to suggest to you guys that you do is you actually use Sonnet, okay? Sonnet 4.6. The reason being is if you look at the cost, so Sonnet 4.6 pricing, if you look at the cost of their models, it's super interesting, right? In my opinion, they're not making money on either of these two models, right? So you can see Opus 4.6 is $25 for 1 million output tokens, right? And Claude Sonnet is $15 for 1 million output tokens. They're not making money on either of these, I don't think, personally. I'm not sure, I'm not an expert, blah, blah, blah. But they're making less of a loss when someone uses Sonnet, likely because the model is relatively much, much cheaper for them to run, right? So what does that mean? They don't really want people to use Opus at the end of the day. So people were still using Opus despite the fact that they released Sonnet 4.6. And they released Sonnet 4.6 specifically for this reason. They do this every time. They release a SOTA model. Everyone comes back to Claude. They dumb the model down. And then they release a second SOTA model. And if you're smart, you make a change to Sonnet 4.6. Because for the next week or two, Sonnet 4.6 is going to be the best model for Claude Code. I'm telling you guys, I am right about this. 100%. I was using this last night to make a change to Harbor, right? And I can't find what happened, but basically I told it to read my code. And throughout the entire project, I used Gemini Flash. And for the first time last night, I asked it to make a change to a prompt to convert it from OpenAI GPT-5 Nano to Gemini 3 Flash, and for the first time since Opus 4.6 has been released, it read my code and it tried to use Gemini 2.0 Flash. At that moment, I knew for a fact that they had dumbed down the model again, and I'm telling you, the best thing you can do for your businesses and yourselves for coding purposes is to use the latest Sonnet 4.6 model. I'm going to leave the video there, guys. Just a quick one today. I just wanted to talk about this because this is super important to people. But yeah, if you are watching all the way to the end of the video, you're an absolute legend. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out.